What is up, guys? Today's video we are calling back a customer who called us earlier to get a quote estimate. So she sent us the pictures via text message, and I'm gonna show you real quick what that looks like. Basically, she sent this. It's a dent on a door, and it actually looks like it didn't mess up the paint. It might come out with PDR, but we're gonna give her that information, suggest it to her, send her to one of the texts that we send all our customers to, and so she can get a quote that way. If the paint is damaged, then we can basically give her a quote to fix it, or if the PDR guy says that he can't fix it, then we'll go ahead and quote her to paint and fix it. But it's not a bad repair. So let's call her up real quick and check it out.
Hello.
Hi, this is Amaya with Houston Paint Guy. I believe we spoke earlier regarding a dent on your door.
Yes.
Okay, I saw you had called me back, but I was on another phone call. But I did get your picture, and I was gonna basically tell you about the dent itself. It looks like the paint wasn't damaged. Is that correct?
No, on the picture, it's bent, and then it's like a little dent, and then by my car being white, you know, his car is red.
Mm-hmm.
Some of the red scrape marks is on it.
It just like transferred his paint, but it didn't mess up the paint on yours, right?
No, not too bad, but you can see like where the marks and stuff is at. I didn't mess with it. I didn't try to run it through a car wash or anything to see how much of the redness, or the other scrapes will come off.
Yeah, yeah. So basically on something like yours, just out of experience, the paint transfer, that will come off. What you could do at your home to get that off to see if there is any damage to the paint on your car, just get like regular
Uh,
rubbing alcohol with like a rag and rub it on there. The alcohol is not going to damage the paint or nothing, but it'll help you
okay.
see if the paint actually was taken off of your car. If the paint is not damaged on your car, I think that dent will actually come out using PDR. PDR is it's what they call paintless dent repair. It's where they get behind the door panel itself, and they'll push the
Uh-huh.
metal out, so you don't have to paint nothing. You just have to work the metal to get that dent to come out, and that's a different skill set than what we do. But what I can send you is the information for a guy that we refer all our customers to. He does PDR, and then you can get a quote from him to fix the dent without painting it.
Okay. But just from your head and experience, still around how much do you think? I mean, I still want the information because
Mm-hmm.
it seems like it's really not major, but it's
Mm-hmm.
something because I just got the vehicle on the third, and it wasn't a scratch on it. So I do want, and by my car being white, you can't tell that it was hit.
Yeah.
Just your experience though, like around how much you think I'll be looking at.
To get PDR done on that dent, I might be wrong. Everybody's different. They quote differently, but I can tell you just out of experience, it might be a couple $100 to like maybe 300-400 bucks, which is
Okay.
it's still gonna be cheaper than doing
Right.
the body work, painting the whole
Right.
door and all that. So I think that's probably the best way to go to get it fixed. And then the PDR guy will be able to tell you, hey, I can fix it. This is how much I can fix it for. And then just go down that route first.
Okay. Now, normally, does that take like, is that a day's work or just like a couple of hours or something like that?
It depends on how loaded the PDR technician is for the day. Most of the time, you want to bet that you're gonna have to leave the car there for a full day, just because he has other cars ahead of you, and it's gonna take a few hours to work a dent out. If it was something smaller, um, he could pop it out in a few minutes, but this
Right.
this dent is pretty big. It's probably like the size of like a soccer ball or a volleyball or something like that.
Yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, just kind of have in mind you'll probably take the car in the morning, drop it off, pick it up at the end of the day, and a couple $100 it'll look like brand new. But I would first take some alcohol, like regular rubbing
Uh huh.
alcohol, get a rag and go out there and just rub it on there. It may take a few
Mhm.
times, and then see if all that paint transfer comes off, and then you'll see if the paint is damaged on your car.
Okay. Now, from what you've seen, if the damage is, if the paint is damaged, around how much am I looking at to get it back how it's supposed to be?
Okay, so if the paint is damaged, you can either do two things. You can touch it up and it will help conceal any kind of primer or metal showing through, and it'll protect it
That's
from.
something that you can do.
Yeah, we can touch it up for you. Um,
Okay.
or if it's like a scratch and you want the whole door to look like brand new, you don't want it to show at all that it has a scratch or a little nick, then we can paint the
Mhm.
whole door. For something like that ballpark figure, you're probably looking at like 425 and up just to paint it. Now, the PDR guy still has to do the work to push it out.
Uh huh.
Once he pushes it out, then we would paint it if you wanted painted. But
Okay.
if you put that rubbing alcohol in there and there's no damage to your paint, then really all you have to do is just push that dent out.
Okay. What I'm gonna do, because it sounds like you're not a guy that try to get over on people. I'm gonna lock your number in because you will be hearing from me.
Okay.
After the adjuster from the insurance said I should be hearing from him tomorrow because they taking full responsibility of that damage. So he said he was gonna get back to me by tomorrow. So Friday you should be hearing something from me. But I am gonna lock your number in because I want to deal with you.
Yeah, that's fine. No worries. And then what I'll do is I'll send you the contact information for Benny. He's with Den Champions. He's the one guy I refer all my clients to. He does like awesome work on PDR. So
Okay.
just go ahead and give Benny a call. Let him know what's going on. Let him know we referred you. He'll take care of you. Just tell him, hey, Amaya sent me your way. And then send him the picture as well. You might have to take like another one further away to show him the whole door. And
Okay.
then he can tell you like how long it'll take, how much he'll charge you. And then he also works with insurance companies too. So he'll definitely take care of you. And if you have any questions,
Oh,
just give me a call back or you can text me.
okay. Can you send me the information along with your name as well?
Yeah, yeah,
Because,
sure.
like I say, I do want to deal with you.
Okay. Yeah, no worries. I'll go
Oh,
ahead and save your number. And then how do I spell your name?
CHRISTIAN,
Christine.
Christian.
Christian. Oh, okay, okay.
Uh huh.
Okay. I'll go ahead and text it to you. And if you have any questions, just give me a call back anytime.
Okay. Thank you
All
so
right.
much.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.
All right. Bye bye. Okay, guys. So that was basically phone call conversation. But I want to share a few pointers with y'all. I didn't try to sell her on me fixing her car, pulling it out, all that paintwork stuff. It can get pretty expensive, guys. Like I can definitely fix that. I mean, you look at it and it's a dent and it's not that bad, you know. But she can get it done for like a couple $100, $300 or 400. Her car looks new again. She's gonna remember that. Next time, chances are her car, she's gonna hit something on her bumper at least once a year. Statistically speaking, guys, people hit their cars on average minimum once a year. So if you build your clientele business over the years and you get in good standing with them, they're going to call you back next year once. But you have 200-300 clients over all these years, you're always going to be busy. So my advice is don't try to sell the customer, just educate them. Give them enough information that they can make a buying decision for themselves, not directly to benefit you, but to benefit themselves. and that'll build trust. And you can clearly hear her say, I want to deal with you. She felt that. She felt that connection. So, guys, very helpful tip when you talk to clients. Just talk to them like that. Try to educate them. And that's all it is. You're trying to give them information. If you're trying to sell them or you're too pushy, they're going to pick up on it and they're going to be like, well, let me think about it. I'll let you know. Okay, this and that. And, chances are you might hear from them. You probably won't. But hope this helps, guys. And stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.